Hello, welcome to 14968 North 134th Lane, located in beautiful Roseview neighborhood in Surprise, Arizona. This is one of the staple neighborhoods in Surprise. It's located right off of Litchfield and Waddell, and it is a large community that has a lot of parks, play areas, greenbelts, basketball courts, walking paths, you name it. Now this happens to be a little over 1,415 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And let's go ahead and take a look. You're gonna love it. Hey, the screen door is very, very nice. When you walk in, you're greeted with a wonderful vaulted ceiling and living area. You've got the fireplace and built-in entertainment center, which if you like it, wonderful. If not, very easy to take out. Just to the side, you have your eat-in kitchen and breakfast area with bar. Notice the granite countertops and nice open kitchen with a lot of cabinets. Dishwasher. Nice fridge, washer and dryer. Not sure if the fridge is included or not, so you'll have to inquire about that. Now the garage is extra long. Right now you really can't tell, but the owner has a full-size Escalade. And there is where the tires go. And you can see there's actually room beyond that. So this is an actually pretty large 2-car garage. All right, let's go back in. And I forgot to mention, there are also a lot of closet space, closets. So here you have your coat closet, which is kind of used for everything here in Arizona. And then when we come off to the left of the entry, there are other linen closets there. And then you have the guest bath. Very cute guest bath. And then you got bedroom number 1. And then let's go across to bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 2 might be a little larger because of that little bay window over there. And then one of the largest benefits of this home is the split floor plan. So let's go across the way to the master bedroom. In the master, this is a king-size bed. You have lots of windows. And then plenty of room for your furniture. And there is a full bath. So you have your dual sinks, separate tub and shower. Combined tub and shower, forgive me, garden tub. There you have walk-in closet. And last but not least, an actual water closet. Having a water closet with an actual door, in my opinion, is nearly mandatory. So let's go out back and take a look at the pool area. Now, one of the coolest things about this yard is that your average lot size here in Phoenix is about 6,500 square feet. This is a 6,900 square foot lot with a 1,412 square foot home. So there's enough room if you did want to put in an RV gate there. I'll have to do something about the tree, but definitely doable. Nice patio. Now the sun goes across the southwest. Southwest there, right? So this is nicely shaded throughout most of the year, but it does get some evening sun, but coincidentally, or also, that is great for your pool. So the pool gets plenty of sunlight, so snowbirds and anybody else looking to maximize the use of the pool, there you go. Now it's got the self-cleaning pop-ups. There are 2 water features there. And if you have pets or just like grass or any reason, there are little patches of grass here and a little patch of grass over there. They are on a yard watering system, so easy to maintain. And over here, you just have a little side with the AC unit. Now this house has solar, and the solar lease is $150 per month, and that does definitely help out, average out throughout the year during summertime and whatnot. So as we go back in, I want to highlight two more items here. So with the living room, you have the gas fireplace, and if you want, you keep the built-in entertainment center. That is very easy to change if you do want. Okay, there you have it. 14968 North 134th Lane. This is such a cute home. It's not going to last long. It's priced at $389.9, and I mean, it has everything you could possibly want. So message me, give me a call. I'm happy to help. I'll talk to you soon.